Jodi's card was used to check out a small leather-bound book from the library, which caught her attention with its unique cover design. As she opened it, she found that each page contained a single sentence written in a flowing script. Intrigued, she read the first page and was surprised to find that the sentence was a memory from her own childhood. As Jodi continued reading, she discovered that the book was a collection of memories from various people, all of whom had checked it out at some point in time. Each memory was written on a separate page, and they were all connected by a single thread, the library. Jodi became obsessed with uncovering the secrets of the book, and she spent every spare moment reading it. She discovered memories from people all over the world, from different cultures and backgrounds. There were memories of love and loss, of joy and sadness, of dreams fulfilled and crushed. As Jodi delved deeper into the book, she realized that these memories were not just random collections of sentences. They were a tangible link to the past, a reminder that time was ephemeral, fleeting. She could almost feel the emotions emanating from the pages as she read them, and they took her back in time, reliving the experiences of the people whose memories they contained. Despite its peculiar nature, Jodi found herself drawn to the book, and she couldn't help but wonder what other secrets it held. She knew that she had to find out more about this mysterious collection of memories, and so she continued reading, lost in the world of the past. As she read on, the words became fuzzy around the edges, blending into one another like the hazy glimpses of a forgotten dream. The smell of old books wafted through the air, and Jodi felt a strange connection to something much larger than herself, a bond that spanned decades, continents, and countless lives. In the end, Jodi returned the book to the library, but she knew that its memories would stay with her forever, a reminder of the fleeting nature of time and the power of human connection. What caught Jodi's attention about the small leather-bound book? The unique cover design of the book caught Jodi's attention. What did Jodi discover as she read through the book? Jodi discovered that the book was a collection of memories from various people, all of whom had checked it out at some point in time. How did Jodi feel as she delved deeper into the book? Jodi felt drawn to the book and its memories, and she couldn't help but wonder what other secrets it held. What was the peculiar nature of the book that Jodi found herself drawn to? The book contained memories from people all over the world, from different cultures and backgrounds, which created a tangible link to the past. What did Jodi realize as she read on in the book? Jodi realized that the memories in the book were not just random collections of sentences, but a reminder that time was ephemeral and fleeting, and that they took her back in time, reliving the experiences of the people whose memories they contained.